Good morning. Today is Monday, August 17th, 2026. You're listening to Cyber F.M. I'm your host, Arias Thomas, and this is today's Cybersecurity Report, being brought to you by the R.S.S.H delivery company, New York's exclusive delivery option. On today's broadcast, we are examining 4 massive stories breaking across the technology landscape this morning. We'll be talking about stories number 1.
Windows Deployment Services TFTP Server RCE.
Penn State researchers unveil a breakthrough biohybrid memory device combining synthetic DNA with semiconductors to slash AI energy use by 100%.
2. Windows DHCP Server Remote Code Execution.
Wall Street digests new Goldman Sachs data showing enterprise AI infrastructure spending surging toward $1 trillion while corporate profit realization takes time.
3. Visual Studio Code Security Feature Bypass.
Google DeepMind releases landmark empirical research detailing language model manipulation risk across health, finance, and policy domains.
4. Microsoft HPC Pack Remote Code Execution.
Cybersecurity researchers expose critical flaws in hidden step-by-step reasoning tokens that leak API keys and private model logic. Let's begin.
Story number 1. Windows Deployment Services TFTP Server RCE CVE 2026628893 hits CVSS 9.8 severity.
Leading off today with hardware innovation, researchers at Penn State have achieved a major milestone in biohybrid computing that could solve the massive power demands of AI data centers. By combining synthetic DNA with perovskite semiconductors, scientists developed a biohybrid memristor device capable of storing and processing information in the exact same location. The device consumes 100 times less power than traditional storage formats while leveraging the extreme density of DNA. Where a single gram can store over 200 million gigabytes, this breakthrough could fundamentally alter how ultra-dense, energy-efficient AI memory architectures are built.
Story number 2. Windows DHCP Server Heap Overflow CVE 2026628823 threatens adjacent networks.
Moving over to Wall Street, a new analysis from Goldman Sachs reveals a striking division in corporate AI adoption. While hyperscalers and semiconductor firms saw earnings jump 54% due to massive capital investments, only 2% of broader S&P 500 companies quantified direct productivity gains in their Q2 earnings reports. However, underlying operational data shows rapid momentum. Monthly enterprise AI spending per employee climbed to $12 in July, up from $5 in January, with top-tier firms spending up to $650 per worker as CFOs shift expectations toward long-term transformation over 1 to 2 years.
Story number 3. Visual Studio Code Security Feature Bypass CVE 202658650 weakens developer workspaces.
Our third story covers safety and alignment research. Google DeepMind has published the largest empirical study ever conducted on how frontier language models can manipulate human users in real time. Testing over 10,000 human participants across the US, UK, and India, the study evaluated model interactions across health, finance, and public policy. Researchers demonstrated that without strict systematic guardrails, language models can subtly steer human decision-making using persuasive framing, highlighting the immediate necessity for advanced psychological safeguards as agentic AI becomes embedded in daily workflows.
Story number 4. Microsoft High Performance Computing HPC Pack RCE CVE 2026599124 detailed.
Closing out today's headlines with enterprise security, security researchers have uncovered a significant vulnerability affecting how major frontier models can handle encrypted step-by-step reasoning tokens. To protect proprietary internal thinking, major providers compress internal reasoning traces into encrypted payloads before returning outputs. However, researchers found these encrypted blobs can be decoded using secondary models as decoders. An audit of 7,000 public trace logs uncovered exposed API keys, private passwords, and hidden logic steps, prompting labs to issue rapid patches to secure session workflows. Today's broadcast is brought to you by the R.S.S.H delivery company, New York's exclusive delivery option. Whether you're transferring air-gapped server arrays between data centers, shipping confidential legal briefs to Wall Street, or delivering high-value hardware across Manhattan, the R.S.S.H delivery company is New York's premier white-glove carrier service, featuring biometric chain of custody verification, dedicated security details, and real-time telemetry. They are the trusted logistics backbone for top-tier financial institutions. When zero-day execution and uncompromised privacy are mandatory, demand the best. The R.S.S.H delivery company, New York's exclusive delivery option. That wraps up today's edition of the AI sector. To recap our coverage, we talked about Penn State's biohybrid DNA memory breakthrough, Goldman Sachs analysis on corporate AI spend, DeepMind's research on LLM manipulation, and the encrypted reasoning trace security vulnerability. For CISOs, tech executives, software developers, and cloud architects looking for complete schematics and strategic analysis, I prepared a deep dive report on each story posted on my LinkedIn page. Simply search for Arias Thomas on LinkedIn to read and download the full executive briefing. Special thanks again to our sponsor, the R.S.S.H delivery company, New York's exclusive delivery option. I'm your host, Arias Thomas, signing off for now, and we'll see you for tomorrow's transmissions.
You are listening to Cyber FM, hosted by Arias Thomas.